Welcome to VTU online program. Last class I have explained about least cost combination. So, one best combination how can choose with the help of the cost line and with the help of the indifference curves that we have understood in the last class, and also we have understood about the total product, average product and marginal product, which we can use it in the short run production analysis, and how typical behavior of these two products in the short run, that also we have understood in the last class. Now we need to understand the technical progress and the production function. See, in the current business world, in the current production area is totally based on the technological progress. There is a war for technological progression in all the organizations. Anyhow, whatever extent they wanted to expand their business with the help of the technology. Instead of investing just 1 rupee, investments also can done many businesses. See, nowadays because of technology things are getting very easily, we are getting the things, and all the many areas what we have not explored at all, those areas also is it also possible to make the business, that we also we can do the business. That kind of the thinking starts by all of us. Why? Because the ideas has been generated based on the technological progression in the business world. So that concept we need to understand, and for that also the economist has been developed the concept, because in the production function entire analysis is whether it is a short run production function or the long run production function, all are depend on the one of the assumption is that technology is constant. But in the practice no one is interested to make the technology constant. First of all, they wanted to improvise the technologies always. Their main core intention is to concentrate on the technological progression, because changes in the technology helping them in many ways to earn the profit, in many ways to the help to develop their businesses. So the reason here, what is the technological progression and how it is going to affect on the production function, that also need to understand. Means practically this concept is applicable, and we are seeing the all the progressions in the organization based on this concept. See, the what is the technical progress? Technical progress is nothing but it is an improvement in technology. Improvement in technology. Other words, what we can say, it is a progression, technological progression. We can say technological progress in the organization. Okay, then what are all the matters we can say technological progress? See, more output can be produced from the same amount of factors. Due to the usage of technology, if we are able to produce more and more units of the output with the same level of the inputs, that is what we can call it as a technological progress. Means the same inputs, without the technology they are producing one level of the output, with the technology the same inputs are able to produce it more of that, is one of the technical progress. Or else what is the another progression, technological progression, what we can say, we can produce the more and more output with a smaller level of the inputs. With the help of the less and less level of the inputs, we can produce more and more of the production. Instead of the going with the without technology, we can using the technology we can produce it the output more and more level with the help of the small level of the inputs. This is one technical progress we can say. The second, we can say that any qualitative improvements that what is adding in the product. See, due to the technology, smoothness can be seen, the quality can be enhanced, features can be improved, especially techno oriented products like car, you can see like home appliances. Every year the upgradation can be seen in the technology. So the people are waiting to the new features, because once they know these are the features is adding in the car or the bikes, then they will instead of buying now, they will postpone the buying that for the next year, like kind of the changes in the products due to the technology. So improvisation in the product is also called it as a technical progress. This is another second one. And third is that production of entirely new product. Production of the entirely new product. For example, you can take a Zomato, Uber you can take. These are the new products has been launched by the different eminent producers because of technology. Without the technology, these things cannot be changed. Because of all the technological progress, we are seeing many these kind of the new products. Okay, so this is the third one, and all these together we can say that technical progress here. So one may be the with the same level of the input increasing the output level, or the whatever level of output we want, we can get it with a lesser level of the inputs, or we can improvise the quality of the product, improvise the technicality in the product. That is also we can say here technical progression, or we can say that producing the new product only. New product is launching by the different companies due to the technology. Those also can say technological improvement here. So all together we can say here technological improvement or the technical progress is the most important factor in determining the rate of growth of the economy. See, because of the technology, economy is changing faster and faster. Why? Because technological changes, advancements, lot of changes is happening in the technology. So whatever the growth we have seen from 1947 to the 1990 is one side, after 1992 till now is another level. Means the entire economy is shifting or transforming from one level to another level. All the people are getting all the facilities, all the developments in the product, all the what is that the comfortable life because of the technological progress. Because all the producers are adopting the technologies because their intention is to adopt the technology. Why? Because by adopting the technology they can new to the market, they can overcome the competition, they can make their business unique, all the benefits, they can create the brand image, they can attract the entire market by using the technology. For example, Apple is using the very see compared to all other producers, Apple is standing differently. Why? Because of usage of technology. Okay, so like that they wanted to make separate with all the competitors. To address the competition, they can use the technologies. To enhance the business, they can use the technologies. To earn the profit, they can go for a technology. Means one or other reason, every producers are interested to adopt the technologies. That what I wanted to mean it here. So okay, so this is what one side all the producers are interested to enhance the technologies, and another side this the enhancement of technology, improvement in technology is changing the economic growth all over the world. See, that is what. Then how we can say, how we can understand the production function with the help of the technological progress. That we can understand by the help of the two graphs here. See, without the technology, this can be the situation in the production function. See, in the long run and short run production function, we are saying that technology is constant. In that situation, things will be like this: y is equal to y upon L. Okay. So in that situation, y is equal to function of k. Y is equal to function of k when technology is constant. Okay. The production curve is moving like this type. But here in this graph, you can understand. See, when without the technological progression, y is equal to function of k and t0, function of k and t0, time and the what is that capital. Okay. So output is depend on this in the without the technological progress. If technological progress, this curve is shift from here to here. Technological progress is shifting with the same level of the outputs, with the same level of the inputs, output is shifting here. Output is shifting from y is equal to function of k t0 to y is equal to function of k t1. Y is equal to function of k t1. This shift, this curve is shifting from that to the higher level. So this is what because of the technological progress. Due to the technological progress, with the same level of the inputs only, we can enhance the output level. That we can understand with the help of this graph. See, this is the situation before the technology, this is the situation is after the technology. This production function curve or the output curve is shifting from the first level to the higher level. That can be understand in the second graph. Okay. So this is what the technical progress in the production function. So because of the technical progress, production function moves upwards, it shifts the curves upward moving instead of downward moving. So, how we are increasing the technology? The output is start increasing in that level only. So, the reason here we need to understand the concept as technological progress and shift the production function upward. Thank you. I would like to continue in the next class.